How to find your Rockstar Social Club email. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can find your Rockstar Social Club email, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to find your Rockstar Social Club email, all you have to do is go to socialclub.rockstargames.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Just go to socialclub.rockstargames.com and then you will see this type of interface where basically what you need to do is, let's say you're logged in but you don't know your email and you want to find it. To do so, just click the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen, and then here you'll find this option known as settings. All you have to do is simply click the settings option here. Once you click on the settings option, over here you'll be able to find this option known as email. You want to make sure to just click on the edit button right next to the email, and this is exactly where our email is located, as you can find it here. And this way you can find your Rockstar Social Club email. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.